Run. Run, 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 run.
That's how I got into this. Ah.
Yeah, but they're coming down at you constantly. So you gotta run up that ramp before it's too late.
It's one of those things, eh?
Also, I'm Camo.
And I'm out on emails.
And we're playing Chrono Cross. As a quick recap, you know, the story so far,
Yep.
we are playing as Sarge, who is
A ghost.
a fisherman drill sergeant from another dimension who is dead in this dimension and therefore a ghost. Because that's how ghosts work in Chrono Cross, I guess. We've teamed up with this pirate to rob Viper Manor because, well, she seems friendly. In order to get into Viper Manor being the stronghold of the local government, which is also some kind of reptile-worshipping cult. We're only half kidding about that part. But yeah, in order to get in, we had to recruit this rock star.
Named Bieber.
Yeah.
Or Baber, if you want to be correct about it.
Because we misspelled it and we were too lazy to fix it. And so we're sneaking through Shadow Forest in order to get to the Viper Manor, steal the Frozen Flame. Let's go ahead and go for it. Let's see what it's got.
Let's see what this bug has.
And the reason we're trying to steal the Frozen Flame is... Oh, nuts.
Sorry, Private.
That was kind of cute.
Oh, hey, he actually has to do something. Kill it with music.
But yeah, the reason we're after the Frozen Flame is pretty much because Kid wants it and she seems nice.
Yep. Also, you know,
So
I get
basically
to fight a snake cult, you know.
Yeah,
What's
Surge-
the harm in that?
Surge has committed to attacking this snake cult stronghold and robbing the local government blind. Pretty much just because, got nothing better to do.
Also, they sent 2 of their agents after me, so, hey, payback.
Go, 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 go. Okay. Now you're going to have to fight that ghost, which is a more different ghost from you. Ghost buddies. Those things will fight you if you step in front of them, so... This thing is black innate,
Okay,
so Surge alone should be able to rip it apart. It is fairly tough, but...
It's a weird ghost. It's a wraith. Okay.
Yeah, dash and slash it, and it will be super extra dead.
Oh, maybe not. Seems like it is wilting though.
Yeah. I like how it turns out that it's not like 2 glowy eyes hidden in shadows. It's just a black gloop, and when it starts to sag, the gloopy head hangs out. Yeah.
Hey, leather. I don't know if that's actually used for anything, but
It's used for gloves. So, okay, and now you can go and push the boulder into... No, not go around the boulder. You need to push it up to block the hole. So you don't want to push it down, or else you have to do all this again.
there we go.
And now you can walk off the waterfall without being attacked by an infinite number of bugs.
Oh.
That's the thing here.
Sprint here.
The current slows you down, which makes it impossible to dodge the bugs on the way up. That's why you have to block them off. You should be fine to run now, though.
Yay! Ooh. Oh, like that's so cheap.
Yeah, you will not be able to get to that treasure chest for a long while.
Okay, you weird mob monsters. Let's go.
Not wrong with rapper.
Yes, it is.
You alright?
Not really, no.
Okay.
It's called being sick.
In retrospect, I'm not sure what I was going to do or say if you were not okay. Like,
I have a cure for dehydration and cold.
it's like, oh, you're not okay. Well, I guess it's too bad I'm not a doctor then. You want to try and rob it?
Yeah, let's pilfer this, itemless
this ooze.
Oh my gosh, you were the worst thief ever.
It is much easier to steal from them after they're sagging, and this thing is undamaged, so...
This music is so bad, it literally damages his foes.
It's Beaver, man.
Okay. Now that minor inconvenience is taken care of.
So, this part here, we're about to go into a cutscene, and it always makes me nervous, because on our physical copy of this game, the disc is scratched here.
Oh.
So, the cutscene freezes. And this
Wow.
cutscene plays no matter which route you take in, the cutscene that introduces Viper Manor.
Yeah?
So, yeah, you just can't get past it in the physical copy, which is why I had to buy another one.
Oh, no. Yeah, we have 2 physical copies, though. I
Yeah.
think. Last I checked.
That's right. That's what the second one is for.
Okay. Nice manner. Oh, hey, dragons.
Yep. That'd be the white dragon. There's
So there's
right
white-
there is where it freezes, and I always get
Oh.
nervous. There's not the freeze.
Okay.
It's cool,
Oh
it's
my
fine.
gosh.
No, if
I
it
was like,
freezes,
no! We summoned it! And is that going to be the last episode for today?
this will be the last episode.
Okay.
So we got, I think, are we? Yes, because we did like 15 minutes worth of extra stuff. Worst case scenario, we're getting ourselves an extra day of buffer.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, we've been doing stealth the entire time, but now we're doing like for Siri. Like now it's actually in the story that we're sneaking around. You can actually just, like, you can stand in the spotlight and get fought by literally all of these guys, just massacre the entire...
With just the 3 of
yeah.
you.
But
A ghost.
a ghost, a pirate, and a rock star.
Yeah, a ghost.
Oh, there's a treasure chest in there.
Can I get over there?
Yeah, you have to. There's a door down there. Whoop.
Ah.
Okay, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah, this is where we'll be coming up when we do this with Guile.
Turn blue.
Yeah, that'll mean you can... If you equip that to Kid, she can use it to turn someone blue, and then they'll be vulnerable to her attacks and her elements.
Let's see if we're willing. Is there anything we can get rid of? Maybe
First
we
of
can
all, let's
replace
figure
it.
out what level it is.
Turn blue is level 1.
Any level, so yeah.
We can replace our tablet with that, maybe.
Sure, tablets aren't that great.
Exactly.
They're really weak healing. Although at this level, they're actually...
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have... You're starting to get to the point, actually, where a tablet can't heal you that well. But yeah. Anyways, you gotta sneak past that spotlight.
Yeah, I'm just kind of waiting for an opportunity to present itself. I'm a ninja.
Okay.
Oh, hey. This is where they keep the dinosaurs.
Yep. Remember, they're a reptile-worshipping cult, so they ride reptiles.
We should not save, or
Save in the second slot, though.
second slot. So that'll be the one with kid's face.
Yes. In fact... Now would be a good time to
Load up the other one.
load up the other one and get into Viper Manor a different way.
Why not? So this time
So now we load slot 1.
back when we still had Groot.
Yep. We get to spend a little more time with Groot.
I am Groot.
So Nikki is the best, he has the most plot in Viper Manor. Everyone else is basically blank. So I say we keep the Nikki save file. which means that for this one we don't have to bother with weapons and armor and elements and stuff.
Yeah, so let's just go.
Also because the Shadow Forest is also the most involved dungeon.
Yeah.
We doing Pierre now?
Yeah.
Pierre's the worst.
Get that out of the way. Oh wait, no, he's over at the. No, he's at the
No, you're going the right way. Yep.
I got confused with the magician's location.
Yeah. All right, go talk to the kid. Not like kid, but the kid.
Him?
Yeah. Kid is not here.
What did you find? Give it to me! I know someone who's looking for rat.
You can be both. Just think of Robin Hood.
Yeah.
Not that you're allowed to keep this. Oh no, this is a mugging. Give me all your key items. You can go to the guest house just through there.
Oh,
nice. Yeah.
Much more convenient. Yeah, turns out, you know, looking for your lost medal isn't that hard if you just walk out the door.
No, that's Pierre for you, though. Like, this is going to be a trend. Pierre actually has a subquest that goes through, like, the entire game, but it's not that great.
Oh, yeah.
And, like, the last thing we want to do is play the entire game twice. So that we can get his subquest and also Nikki's.
No. Just...
Yeah, no. Guile does not have any subquest at all. He has the Viper Manor entrance, and then that's it. He has no more plot. It's actually, he was originally going to be a character from, here's what else we're looking for. He was originally going to be a character from Chrono Trigger, the quote-unquote prequel.
Yeah.
But they cut that out. I don't think you're close enough.
Dude, I just gave you your stupid hero. There you go. Take it. Does this guy join your party too?
Yep.
Is he... What color is he?
Yellow. Talk to him again, are you? Wait, do you have him? You haven't recruited him, so...
Not sure what happened. Yes, yes, of course. Then let me take you.
Screw you, buddy. Yeah.
You gracefully joined your party.
Okay, now I can't think of a more stereotypically French name than Pierre. Like...
Is there enough... Wait, no, I got it.
Okay. Surprise me. Is it going to be a rape?
No. No, it is not.
First of all, that sounds terrible.
We shall call him the French.
Okay.
That is all.
I'm down with that.
It is generic, but you know what? I'm down with that. We're not even keeping this one, so if he's blue, we don't have any black elements. He's not that good, so let's just replace Groot. And
oh no, he's blue.
He's blue.
Oh. Let's replace Lena then with Groot.
Yeah. Groot, yeah.
I mean, unless you want to take Kid, that could work too. But
so now we just go to the Viper Manor in the Shadow Forest, then.
We don't go through the Shadow Forest. We
oh, we have to fight our way through. Okay, let's see what that happens. Yep. Let's take the fight to them. Also, we're not gonna buy
follow your lead from the middle. Of course, he doesn't want to be in the front where the fight's happening. He doesn't want to be in the back where the ambushes happen. Now he'll stay in the center, dead center of the party.
So we need to get him items or something?
Huh?
Do we need to get him items, or do we just want to...
We can if you want, but I mean, you'd have to fade to black again, it would take more time. And the fact is, this guy's path in is extremely short, and since we're not actually going to use him for Viper Manor, it's kind of like, why bother?
Yeah. Okay, so what's the way to Viper Manor then?
You just go straight to Viper Manor.
Oh, right, on that.
Yeah. You're just going to march straight up to the front gates, and you're going to fight the guards.
Let's style!
Pretty much. I just get so carried away.
You kicked the bride at the chest.
Ha I'm not sure what you're singing there.
That's the song that goes on while Lancelot
Oh,
is tearing through this party.
Well, let's remember to come back for that chest when we're back in our main save.
What's your Frenchy man? Okay. Guy's good. Go on, get. I am Groot.
This guy's kind of a crappy party member.
Yeah.
And he doesn't really have any... I mean, he has a subplot, but it's lame.
Yeah.
It's...
Okay.
Basically, the idea is he's actually...
Let's go, Sarge,
Yeah, I wish I had caught that, because it's actually... If you try to think of a plan, what he'll do is he'll feign sickness. Pierre will feign sickness and be like, "Oh, the heat!" And then he'll collapse.
And the guards will rush over to help.
Well, no, and the guards will be like, "Wow, sucks to be you." At which point, Pierre is just like, "Oh, screw you."
We're here to see the General Viper. Let us through. It's just like, would you mind letting us in? Okay, you want to start something, man? You want to start something?
These guards have not seen nearly enough action. They're really antsy. They're ready to go.
And of course, we're attacking the manor. The entire legion shows up right here. Apparently, attacking a fortress head-on is a very bad idea.
It's surprisingly easy to get through this way. Like, so easy that we're not even going to upgrade our equipment and it'll be fine.
Dude, that's not the part of the axe you use.
What is it with the dragoons and not knowing how to use their weapons?
Seriously.
These guys are yellow and 8, so...
Yeah, I'll smack him.
That works too. French doesn't really have any elements, but that shouldn't matter.
You got Groot and Sarge. Oh, hey, this guy actually has a sword. We could have gotten him up close.
But yeah, he has weak defenses, he has weak attacks. He does have his innate... His special move that he has automatically. So, yeah, weak defenses, weak attack, weak magic, weak everything. Pierre just sucks. There is, if you gather up 3 different hero items, you can make him not suck. He'll actually become really powerful all of a sudden. But that takes most of the game. And...
So they're yellow, so I could probably use a green on them. Yes, I'll use it on the last guy on the battlefield, thank you. Destructo disc! Oh. That didn't work. Yarg. Oh my gosh.
That actually kind of hurt.
Groot! I'm a dash and slash you. No one hurts my tree person.
Of course, now you don't have any elemental power to heal him with.
Quick, crack out the, what are they called?
Tablets?
Tablets!
Yeah, make sure to heal with consumables so that you'll use those.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, that was a boss.
Yeah, basically, you know how there were 2 boss fights on the way in for, the Shadow Forest?
Yes. What's up?
Well, we have to make sure that the star level stays the same. No matter who's,
Okay, then. Ooh, it's all slippery. Yeah, let's get that chest. No, no, no! No, not you again. Oh my gosh. Sarge!
Not like our Sarge, though. Like,
I'm gonna make you my soldiers.
are you serious, man? Like, even they're calling you on how dumb this plan is. Yeah, Pierre is the worst option here. He was kind of funny, though.
Yeah. Are we gonna fight Zoa again?
No. Zoa is only in the Shadow Forest.
Okay. Yes, yes, you're going to talk all about your elements.
This is not actually a tutorial.
Oh.
This is them talking about how they brought a new friend.
Oh. Okay. Tomato? Okay. That's Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh wow, I was dead.
Yep.
Well, Groot. It's all you, man. At least he's happy. It's funny, I could have sworn he was fully healed before the fight.
Yeah, no, did you see how much damage Ketchup just did to you?
45.
450.
Oh, I missed that somehow.
Yeah, let's go ahead and bring him down first.
Come on, Frenchie.
Okay, man, you got this.
Did you just revive me? Oh my god! I think this guy's evil.
Well, I mean, he's on our side, so I think he is. Kakarot!
I'd rather be punched in the dick 1,000 more times than hear him say Kakarot one. Kakarot, yeah. Okay, does he have yes, he has that thingy. Let's see what that does.
Give it to Surge, if you can. No, it only does you, so go ahead and self-cast it.
I don't even know what that is, but
Some kind of buff. Oh, and it healed him a little bit. Okay. I hope Groot has healing, because Surge is roughed up right now. But you're going to have to attack first to build up elemental power.
No. Go back. This lag is getting annoying.
Yeah, unfortunately the EPSX is just a little bit jittery sometimes.
Okay, I've given up on these guys knowing how to use axes at this point. Oh no. Oh yes! I am Groot. Blue dance. Uplift. Nope, no healing.
Nope. These guys are yellow and it though, so you can smack them with a green element real hard. Sarge has healing, so.
True enough.
And honestly, if we lose here after this fight, it just goes into the same sneaking sequence. Yeah, you wait around until nightfall for no reason after breaking through the front gates. Apparently you can just camp out on the front gates all day and no one knows or cares. Even after you broke them down and killed like 5 people.
Low res?
Lowering resistance.
Oh.
Whereas he is increasing his attack power, so.
Alright. Let's see, do I have a cure? Is it on me, please? That's not bad.
Yeah, he's got nothing to do but attack. We never bothered equipping him with any elements. Fortunately, Ketchup appears to be abysmally slow.
Yeah. Wait, no, I haven't.
You had no elements.
Oh, we only used that once. Oh well. Oh crap. Oh! This guy's not even sagging yet, or if he is, I can't tell.
I mean, yeah, if we lose this fight, I mean, this is the end, so we'll just... Not as in, like, you know, this is the end and we're all going to die.
This is it, guys. No more. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Our meat shield's taking all the hits for us. What do you think is doing? Oh. Oh! No. Ah! Oh wow, he's still barely standing. Still though, hey, only got one person to worry about, and he's the person we've been damaging most.
Yep.
Let's see if I can heal Frenchie after this. Oh, actually no, I think I used that cure slot, didn't I?
Yeah. In any case,
Do I have...
he's not important. Just go back to Sarge and hit him real hard with an element. Like, if Frenchie goes down, who cares? He's Frenchie.
I think the dash and slash ought to do it?
Yeah. You got him sagging.
Oh, maybe Groot could finish this. I am Groot. And there he goes. Oh well.
Element him.
Let's see. Voodoo dance.
Go for the
is
voodoo
technically-
dance.
Yeah.
It is higher level. Plus, it matches Groot's innate, so he's better at using it.
And now he's being hit with crushing despair. And he has a heart attack.
Too many steroids.
Everyone lived. Except Frenchie. How unfortunate. Hey, a silver earring. That's probably valuable.
Unfortunately, there's no way to get into a save we would actually want to use. Anyway,
Let's get the chest for what it's worth. Oh, hey, the French guy's still walking.
yeah, everyone automatically goes back to at least 1 HP when you're done. It's a little bit like stabilizing in D&D.
Should we wait until...
Why?
Should we wait until nightfall?
At this stage...
Yeah, we just killed, like, their top lieutenant guards. I think we were a little, past the point of no return here. I guess, so...
Oh, by the way, those guys, those guards at the gate, the first fight...
Yeah?
They were the guys who were supposed to be able to kill any monster in one blow. They did like 12 damage to you.
Sarge, should we wait until nightfall? Okay. Don't give me the option to say, okay, or no, why?
Yeah, no. The problem here is that the Viper Manor stealth sequence has to be at night. They don't have daytime maps for those. So.
So they have a white dragon. How many dragons are there?
6, 1 for each element.
Oh. And the black one is evil, I imagine.
They're all basically on the same side. So.
Okay. Are they evil? Or are they all like neutral?
I mean, there's not really extremely clear-cut good and evil sides in this.
Yeah. Actually, I think after this we'll just load and do the last magician guy.
Well, and the thing is, we're at the end of the episode here, so...
Oh, well. Like, at the very end?
Yeah, we're actually like maybe a minute over time even.
Oh, wow. Well, be that the case, then,
I know we want to finish this right before we close out. I mean,
yeah, sure. Let's see if we can get Frenchie to die one.
like we can have like a 3-hour long video if we really wanted to. There's YouTube is certainly imposing no time limits on us.
Yeah.
We just
Or if we die. Either way.
yeah. You have your cure back now.
Yeah, I'll use that on myself next turn, maybe.
Fight probably won't even last that long. Even in your weakened state, these guys stand basically no chance of beating you.
Did I get that back? Yes, I did. Let's see if I can heal myself. What does it do? 10 HP?
It's a decent heal.
Oh, wow, yeah.
It's like half his health. Almost.
Oh.
But yeah, see, these are the guys who can slay any monster in one hit. No, that guy's just an obsessed cultist.
Yeah, I thought so. And they also can't swing axes properly.
They can swing swords properly, though. They've got those
Yeah.
figured out.
I don't know what's wrong with you. They're all yellow, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Oh, wow. That guy's pretty tough. Wait, no, not him.
Yeah, the ones in the golden armor are the sergeants, who are slightly stronger.
Oh, they're sergeants.
They're actual sergeants, yes. You ever seen Meet the Soldier?
No.
I'm getting strong Meet the Soldier vibes from Sarge the more this game goes on. We need to watch that after this.
I hope he gets back as he prepares to go forward and hit him again.
Yeah, so that's the episode then.
Yep. So like and subscribe.
Yep, thanks for watching.